Hey guys, welcome back to Pi42 Exchange. Today we will learn about altcoin season. So how to track it with Bitcoin dominance and index. So altcoin season is a period when altcoins start to perform strongly compared to Bitcoin. Many traders and investors watch out for this phase, but it does not arrive randomly. There are specific signals that can help us understand when altcoin season might be approaching. So, what is altcoin season? It refers basically to a market phase where altcoin outperform Bitcoin in terms of price growth. Instead of Bitcoin leading the entire rally, we start to see stronger movements in Ethereum, Solana and other major altcoins. For participants in the market, this signals broader activity and liquidity across the crypto ecosystem. Let's take a historical example. Looking at the past, in 2017, Bitcoin first saw a strong run, followed by significant rallies in Ethereum and other altcoins. Similarly, in 2021, Bitcoin reached new highs, and once it consolidated, altcoins such as Solana, Cardano and DeFi tokens began gaining momentum. The common pattern is that Bitcoin usually leads and altcoins tend to follow. One of the most important indicators to track is Bitcoin dominance, which shows how much of the total crypto market capitalization belongs to Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin dominance is in uptrend, forming higher highs and higher lows and above 50, it suggests Bitcoin is holding most of the market share. And when Bitcoin dominance is in downtrend, forming lower highs and lower lows, it indicates capital is rotating into altcoins. This metric is available directly on TradingView charts and is widely used to identify market shifts. The second tool is the Altcoin Season Index, available on CoinMarketCap. It measures how many of the top altcoins have outperformed Bitcoin in the last 90 days. If 75% or more of the altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin, it signals altcoin season. And if fewer than 25% are outperforming, it indicates Bitcoin season. This index provides a simple data-backed view of where the market currently stands. The flow of capital in crypto often follows a rotation pattern. First into Bitcoin, then into Ethereum, and then into large cap altcoins, and finally into mid and small cap altcoins. Recognizing this flow can help participants understand market phases better and respond more systematically. Now, to summarize, you need to watch Bitcoin dominance. A falling dominance is often an early sign that altcoins are gaining strength. Track the Altcoin Season Index. If more than 75% of altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin, the market is officially in altcoin season. Together, these indicators provide a clearer picture of how capital is moving within the crypto market. Altcoin season brings opportunities but also higher volatility, so risk management remains important. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share. And also let us know in the comments which altcoin do you think could lead the next season.